Welcome to our lesson on Lewis structures in chemistry. We'll learn how to draw Lewis dot structures, calculate formal charges, and understand resonance structures. Let's start with the basic rules for drawing Lewis structures. First, count the total number of valence electrons. Second, identify the central atom, usually the least electronegative atom that isn't hydrogen. Third, connect atoms with single bonds. Finally, add remaining electrons as lone pairs to satisfy the octet rule. Let's draw the Lewis structure for water, H2O. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, and each hydrogen has 1, giving us 8 total valence electrons. Oxygen is our central atom. We connect the hydrogens with single bonds, using 2 electrons each. The remaining 4 electrons form 2 lone pairs on oxygen. Now, let's learn about formal charge. The formal charge equals the number of valence electrons minus the number of lone pair electrons minus half the number of bonding electrons. For oxygen in water, it has 6 valence electrons for lone pair electrons and shares 2 bonds, giving it a formal charge of 0. Finally, let's look at resonance structures. Take SO3, for example. It can have multiple Lewis structures where the double bonds rotate around the central sulfur atom. These structures are equivalent, and the actual molecule is a hybrid of all resonance forms. And that's how we draw Lewis structures, calculate formal charges, and understand resonance. Remember to follow the basic rules, check your formal charges, and consider all possible resonance structures.